Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi. Today I am planning to make this gorgeous dot mandala bottle that you can make from the things around you. So let's get started. So the things that you need to make them are anything that is present around you that has round or flat end. So if you look for this lipstick, it has rounded flat end. We can use it for making the bigger dot, or you can use this glue gun stick also for making bigger dots. You can also use any pencil eraser tip for making the smaller dots. You can use this Q-tip or earbud as well. For the tiniest dot, you can have this toothpick or this skewers. Skewers can be used from both the ends. I am recycling this wine bottle, so I have removed the label and I have cleaned it inside out. I am supporting it with these two coasters so that it remain in its place while I am dotting on it. I am making a center dot with this glue gun stick. Now surround this bigger dot with some tiny dots using this toothpick. I am using parchment color, or you can use any white color that is available. Now make the second row with this orange color dots using the same toothpick. Now for the third row, I am using the other side of the toothpick. The color that I have used here is teal color. For the next row, I am using the flat end of the skewers for making slightly bigger dots. Now I am using the Q-tip or the earbud for the next row. Now I am continuing the next row with the eraser tip of the pencil. Using this toothpick, I am walking the dot from top to bottom of the steel color dots and making some petal shaped structure. Now from the opposite end of the toothpick, we will make the second row and then follow the dots as we have done in the first row. Now follow the third row with the opposite end of the skewers and make the same walking the dot as we have done before. Using eraser tip of the pencil, make few dots in between these petals. And I am making some white dot with the skewers below this blue dot. With the same skewer tip, I am making two dots on right and left of this bigger blue dot. I think this flower is completed. Now I am making a circle. Roughly, I am not using any compass or any stencil for it. I am just making a rough circle with my approximation with the same skewer that I have used before. Following this with a teal color using the same skewer. So basically I am making dots in between two dots. You don't have to worry about making the circle very round. It will look all same at the end. So just enjoy the process. Following the third row with the same skewer using a blue color. So this is how it looks. Following the next row with the skewers again. The next row with the skewers again. Now I wanted to make slightly bigger dots, so I am using the eraser tip of the pencil. Follow the next row again with the eraser tip of the pencil. I will continue making row by row with the same eraser tip of the pencil, following the color teal, then blue, then autumn leaves, then parchment color. Aha, now you can check how beautiful this artwork is turning into. This is the back side view of the bottle. I will keep on dotting until all the blank space of the bottle is completely filled. I would recommend you to let it dry for a while when most of the part is dotted, so that it's very easy for you to make a grip and dot it efficiently. As the center part is completely dry, so I thought let's do the top dots with the white or the parchment color, and then I am continuing the bottom part that was left behind. So friends, I am done with this water bottle and I absolutely love it. What do you think? Please comment me below. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you like my work. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.